How you doing? Tim Smith here. I just wanted to talk to you guys about getting started in the asphalt seal coating industry. So a lot of times you'll see YouTube videos of, hey, click on this and we can guarantee you'll make thousands of dollars an hour. I can't guarantee you that. The Especially starting out. So will there be a point where you'll make thousands of dollars an hours? Yes, but it's very hard to do and it takes a lot of dedication and hard work. Um, I can almost guarantee you though that you can make 500 bucks a day easily just by putting the work in and having that drive to go out and actually make a difference and do great things in your life. So click the link below. It has a link to our schedule. Set up a time. I'll sit down and talk to you for 15, 20 minutes and see if we can come up with a solution to get you started in the business. Or if you're already existing in the business, but you're just stagnant and not growing, get in touch with us. Let's see if we can figure something out. Maybe put some systems in place with your office part to help you be able to have more time to go out and do more jobs, and see if we can do some marketing things for you as well. We're very versed in the asphalt industry. We've been very successful, and our systems work extremely well. We've helped numerous people with this over the past 2 years, and I'd love to just jump on a call and see what we can do to help you and get you making some money and figuring out what equipment you actually really need to get started with what your goals are. If you're just looking to do this on the weekends for some side money, you don't need to go out and buy a $30,000 seal rig. Um, I am totally against the trash pumps, and when we get on the call, I'll explain why. And this just it does not give a good service to your customers using that type of equipment. So again, give me a call, click on the link below for our schedule, and we'll set up a time that we can actually sit down on a Zoom and have a good talk and see if we can help you out. Thanks and have a blessed day.